Hi weavers, I'm Fran Caselli, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite techniques to finishing a woven scarf. This is the Andean braid. I hope you like it. Let's start. The first thing is to fix the fabric to the table. Use your shuttle and a pair of clamps to tighten the fringes. In order to make the braid, we are going to work with 5 loops, not 5 pair of fringes. The thread must be tense. This braid is worked with the index, middle, and ring finger of each hand. Distributing 3 in one hand and 2 in the other. The index finger of the right hand must be free to pick up the loop of the ring finger of the left hand. The free ring finger takes the loop that was on the middle finger, and this, in turn, takes the loop that was on the index of the same hand. When the index finger is free, the sequence is restarted, taking the loop that is on the ring finger of the right hand, and I repeat this sequence over and over again. After each crossing, it is important to open your arms to move the crossing and compress the braid. I repeat this sequence until the desired length is achieved. I left the braid 10 centimeters long. To finish, we are going to wrap the braid. We are going to need a strand of about 15 to 20 centimeters long. And we are going to make a cane, leaving the curve down. I take the longest strand and I start to wrap the braid to my left in a downward direction. Just like the braid was tense, it is important to tense the wrapping. We continue this action in order to avoid wrapping the previous wrapped. The length is optional. I left about 2 centimeters. In order to finish, I insert the tip of the strand into the loop very carefully without releasing it. Then I take with my index fingers and thumb the other end and pull up. After that, I accommodate the strand below and hide inside the wrapping. And I cut the strand. Then we cut the knot and excess fringes. Personally, I like opening the fringe strand to make them more pompous. If you dare to do it, you can brush them with a pointed tool. And voila!